Hi students, welcome to Ajitaha IAS Academy. In this video, let us discuss ourselves about the Asigma application. Asigma application is a secure WhatsApp-like chat application that is developed by the Indian Army for communication within themselves. That is, Indian Army, if it wants to communicate within the uh, team members and soldiers and other officers within themselves, they have developed an in-house means developed by themselves application. It's a messaging application as well as real-time data transfer application. Real-time means if they want to share any file or if they want to share the location of their premises, they can also share the data using other technologies like GPS and all, and other data also. That is real time it will send. That is, they can send the voice messages also, video messages also. So they have developed an application which is called Asigma. Asigma means Army Secure Indigenous Messaging Application. So if you means indigenous means it is a part of Make in India initiative. It is also comes under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. It is developed specifically for the army, not for the navy or air force. Okay, don't get confused. So these kind of questions can be asked by the UPSC in prelims examination and other competitive examinations of the central government also, and other state government examinations also. So it is an army owned hardware. It works on army owned hardware only. It's like we cannot download, normal people cannot download, even the officers also they cannot download the application in their personal phones. Even they cannot use it on their personal phones, only if it belongs to the army hardware. Okay, and it also has some enhanced user experience. Enhanced means earlier there was an application called Avan, Army Wide Area Network application. They have some that means that some kind of user interface, and this Asigma has more better user interface. That's what it was being shared on the internet. It supports real-time data transfer. And coming to other, it is a web-based messaging application. That is, one users should have internet. Okay, and who developed it? It is developed by the Corps of Signals. It is a corps of it is developed by the Corps of Signals team. This team is a part of the Indian Army. This is an arm of the Indian Army which focuses on the military communications. Okay, and it was formed in 15th January 1911, and it has played a very active role during the World War I and World War II, that is under the British government. So if you look at 1911, do you remember any significant event happened? Just think for once after passing the video, or let me tell you. So 1911 is the year of the transfer of the capital of the British government from Calcutta to Delhi. And 1911, actually the partition of the Bengal was also reversed. So, and even just remember, is Gandhi is in India? No, Gandhi was in South Africa at that time. The Transvaal, he was in Transvaal, and he was busy in he just set up the in Phoenix farm in Transvaal in 1910, and he started Indian Opinion newspaper. So, and even Jawaharlal Nehru was in England. Jawaharlal Nehru came to India in 1912. He participated in the Congress sessions. So 1911, it was under the the Congress government. If you see, the Congress was not even under the moderates or the extremists. It was the era of revolutionary leaders. We cannot call them as terrorists because they fought for our independence. So it was the era of revolutionary leaders. So at that time, it was the form that was Corps of Signals. Okay. So Asigma, this application has replaced the Avan. So these are the points we need to remember. We can use this internal network and Make in India Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative for the mains examination also. Okay, under essay, how technology. So this application is very important in the context of the current geopolitical environment. Okay. So if you have any questions or if you have any other topic for a discussion, please comment. We will make videos. Thank you so much.